I'm going to share with you some ideas about training, and it's about digging deep into the fundamental principles of alignment that we study in the basics. And what I'm going to give you in this particular tutorial is some understanding about how we can add complexity, or what I refer to as layering, as we can start adding layers to movement patterns in order to do several things that are going to progress you further, because this is based upon the primary idea that strength is a skill and movement is a skill. So we're focusing on the skill development of the movements, and the first point is understanding the basic, and then we can take those basics and we can add layers of complexity. Now, why am I doing that? Just for the sake of it? No, I'm doing it for a reason. Is I'm testing the components of the movement to make sure that I own it. So how do I know if I own it? Well, I have control, and it's reversible and it's repeatable. Okay, so this is a principle of training, and you can apply this to many different things, but I'm going to show you with the windmill, with the kettlebell windmill. So the first thing is you need to make sure that you really understand the windmill. So you have the alignment, elbow locked, biceps close to the head, the thumbs facing back. So that's that overhead position. Now I'm going to set. My feet are going to be opposite. And now I kick my hip. So I want that load over my hip here. Now I'm going to turn, open the chest, keep the weight on that rear leg. Okay? And I have the inhale and the exhale. Okay, that's the windmill. So now I'm going to add complexity to that, and I'm going to see how well I really know the movement. So I'm going to double it. My attention is going to be on that top hand. I don't want to be searching for it. So I want to place this so that my foot is touching. I know where it is, because if you feel it, you know it. So you're not going to look here. Where your eyes go, your attention follows. You lose control. That's going to be the danger. So you're staying here. That foot's here. I know that my hand's going to track exactly where the kettlebell is without looking. Okay? So now, I bring it to the overhead. I step up, make that contact with the foot. Now I set my stance angle. Opposite direction, 45. See, my toes point that way, my toes point that way. Here, okay? Now I'm gonna come down, push that hip out, come down into my bottom position. Now from here, I test. Okay? Now from here, I curl. Lift, reverse. And stand it up, okay? So that's one rep. Again, now here, come to my bottom position. I test that position. I curl. There's my trunk loading there. Reverse it. Control. Stand it up to finish, okay? I'm going to show you one more. It's that windmill. Bring it down to the bottom now. Am I strong here? Well, let's see. Press it. Curl it. Stand it up. Reverse it. Okay, so there's a new complex for you. Taking the windmill, adding that complexity, you're going to feel a lot of trunk work, a lot of lats, a lot of trunk work here, okay? Give that a try. Let me know how you like it in the comments. If you like that video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and check out my tutorials.